Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza, founder of the optimizationct.com. In this film, we are talking about an algorithm for minimum spanning tree. Let's move on.
Let's go to the algorithm of the minimum spanning tree. The algorithm for finding a minimum spanning tree can be explained using the simple word as follows. In step 1, create a square matrix of size n times n, representing the distance between n point or node numbered from 1 to n. In step 2, start from any point and find the shortest distance between that point and the other point. To do this, extract the row corresponding to the selected point from the matrix and create a 1 times n matrix. Choose the smallest number in the matrix as the shortest path. Consider this point as a second point. We go to the next step as a step 3. We repeat the process in step 2, but now consider the 2 points selected so far, which is node 1 and 2. Create a 2 times n matrix based on these 2 points and select the smallest number in the matrix at the third point. Continue this process until all points are selected. In the step 4, which is the last one, the order in which the points are obtained represent the optimal sequence of the connecting them in the tree. The sum of the distance in this tree will be the minimum possible distance to connect all points. There is a note we should consider. If there are two or more equal number in the matrix at any stage, there may be a multiple solution of the algorithm. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are any question and need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us by email or by form by filling the contact form in our website, which is www.optimizationcity.com. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.